Okay, so this is going to be a short demo of my new OS 10 installation. I used iATKOS version 7. Um, as you can see, I have OS 10.5.7. There is an update available at this point in time for OS 10.5.8 if you are on an official Macintosh, but unfortunately I am not, so I cannot get that update. As you can see, some simple details: 3.22 gigahertz. It says I have an Intel Core Duo. I actually have an AMD Athlon processor. 4 gigs of RAM. If we go to more info, you can see that it believes I am on a Mac Pro. Some simple things about it: it does see all of my IDE hard drives, but I only have one hard drive and then a light-on drive, which is my DVD burner. Unfortunately, it does not see any of my SATA drives. All USB works just fine. Also, one giant thing that works great is my big honking graphics card. I really thoroughly am glad that it does. My graphics card is in fact supported, because I can now play World of Warcraft on my Mac. Yay, which is awesome. As you can see, I am running 2 monitors on it, which is also good. Also, network. Yes, the internet, it worked by default, surprisingly. You see here, I'm on Google. Use Firefox. If you do get a Macintosh, I would recommend installing WebKit, one of my favorite web browsers out there. Also, a few other applications that you really have to have: Audium, which is my instant messaging client, and Tweety, which is my Twitter client. They're both really good. And then there's this program up here, which I believe is iStatBar or something. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. But it shows you CPU usage, memory usage, hard drive usage, network usage. I would also recommend installing Time Machine if you can. You can see over here that I have this drive, but I cannot use it for Time Machine because there's stuff on it I need. But if you do have an external hard drive that's bigger than your main hard drive, or the hard drive that you have OS 10 installed on, I would definitely get Time Machine up and installed. One of the best programs ever, in my opinion. Other than that, Mail. Yes, Mail works perfectly with Gmail, which is what I use. There's only one thing I had to change, which was the server from POP to IMAP, so I can have everything synced with the server and not just download it to my computer. That's really about all there is to show. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or something. I hope you enjoy.